take it away.
I'm Michael from Mr. Crafty Pants. Been using vinyl from shopauntie.com as well as SVGs and fonts from her Craft Day creator membership site, which is amazing. I'm totally obsessed with it. I used Oracal vinyl from shopauntie.com. It is automatically assuming that we are cutting without a mat and that we are using the Cricut Joy Smart Vinyl. However, we're not. What we're going to have to do is actually trick the machine into thinking that we are cutting with Cricut Joy Smart Vinyl, and in reality, we'll be using the Oracal 631 removable vinyl or whatever you decide to use. Now, one of the most important things with all this is to recreate the size of the Cricut Smart Vinyl. And you can do that by trimming down your vinyl to a width of exactly 5.5 inches. Not anything smaller, not anything bigger. So for the material settings, you are definitely going to want to pick the Cricut Joy Smart Vinyl in removable. And since we're not using the Cricut Joy Smart Vinyl, I would personally change my pressure to less. I would also do a small test cut first. You want to make sure that you're not cutting all the way through your vinyl, and you also want to make sure that you're not damaging your blade or your actual machine. Now also be aware that by doing this, you are most likely voiding out your warranty on the Cricut Joy. So do this at your own risk. And please, please, please do a test cut. All right, so here I am right here, just measuring out my Oracal 631 removable vinyl and making my necessary marks for my cuts. And remember that for the vinyl that you're feeding into the machine without a mat, just make sure that it's cut to precisely 5.5 inches wide. If you are new around here to Auntie Tay's channel, you are definitely going to want to go ahead and stamp that subscribe button to subscribe to her channel. And if you would like to see even more Cricut projects and tutorials and inspiration over on my channel, be sure to do a search here on YouTube for Mr. Crafty Pants Cricut Tutorials, or just simply click that link that is down in the description box below. Thank you all again for watching. I am so grateful for each and every single one of you all. And until next time, stay crafty.